When most people picture a millionaire, they imagine loud money, big risks, big wins, big lifestyle upgrades, new cars, bigger houses, flashier moves. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most millionaires don't get richer by doing anything flashy at all. Take Paul and Linda, for instance. They are quiet millionaires. They don't make dramatic moves, they don't chase hot trends, and they definitely don't live like Instagram tells them to. They get richer by repeating quiet habits, habits so boring, so unsexy, that most people completely ignore them. And that's exactly why they work. Welcome to Millionaire Thinking, where we are dedicated to helping people achieve, protect, and expand their financial freedom. And today, I'm going to walk you through the 7 quiet habits that secretly make millionaires like Paul and Linda richer every single year, without stress, without luck, and without anyone noticing. So let's get into it. Habit number 1, millionaires are consistent. Most people treat money the same way they treat dieting. They go all in, they make a spreadsheet, they swear this time is different, and then, 3 months later, nothing. Millionaires don't play that game. They don't ask, how much can I do right now? They ask, what can I repeat year after year without burning out? For example, most people invest like this. Big contribution one year, nothing the next, panic during a downturn. Paul and Linda do the opposite. Small, automatic contributions every month for decades. They don't flee the market at the first downturn. They set a course and they stick to it. No excitement, no adrenaline, just consistency. And here's the part most people miss. Consistency looks weak in the short term, but it's unstoppable in the long term. That's why millionaires often look unimpressive until suddenly they don't. Habit number 2, millionaires raise their financial floor. Most people obsess over raising their income. Millionaires obsess over something else, their downside. Here's the difference. Your ceiling is how much you make in a good year. Your floor is how well you survive a bad one. Let me paint a quick picture. 2 people make the same income. One has no emergency fund, high fixed expenses, lifestyle maxed out. The other has cash reserves, low monthly obligations, flexibility. Now a recession hits. One panics, the other barely notices. Millionaires quietly build financial shock absorbers, emergency funds, margin in their budget, options. So when things go wrong, and they sometimes will, they don't blow up their future. And while others are forced to sell investments at the worst possible time, millionaires are free to buy. Habit number 3, millionaires delay lifestyle inflation. Here's where most people lose the game. Their income goes up, and within 6 months, their lifestyle catches up. A new car, a nicer place to live, more subscriptions, more deserved upgrades. Millionaires pause, not forever, just longer than feels comfortable. They let the gap between income and spending quietly grow. That gap turns into investing power, optionality, freedom. Here's the secret no one tells you. The first person to upgrade their lifestyle loses leverage. By the time a millionaire upgrades their lifestyle, their money is already paying for it. From the outside, it looks like discipline. From the inside, it feels like control. Before we move on, I'd like to ask you a small favor. If you appreciate this content, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing, but it makes a huge difference to us. So, did you click the subscribe button? Great. Thank you so much. Now back to the video. Habit number 4, millionaires treat time like money. Millionaires don't just budget dollars, they budget time, because time determines how fast money can grow. They don't ask, how can I do more? They ask, what can I remove? They cut low-value tasks, decision overload, constant distractions. Why? Because chaos creates bad decisions. Bad decisions destroy consistency, and consistency is everything. Wealth doesn't grow in busy schedules, it grows in focused ones. Habit number 5. Millionaires automate and detach emotion. This habit is where the gap really starts to widen. Millionaires don't feel their way through investing. They automate it. They invest money when the market is up, when the market is down, when the news is terrifying. No drama, no panic, no headlines deciding their future. Most people do the opposite. They invest when they feel confident and pull back when they're scared. And fear is expensive. Millionaires let systems make decisions. Everyone else lets emotions do it. If your investing depends on how you feel this week, that's not a successful long-term strategy. Habit number 6. Millionaires simplify aggressively. This habit will probably surprise you. Millionaires don't win by doing more. They win by doing less, better. Fewer accounts, fewer strategies, fewer goals. Because complexity feels smart, but simplicity compounds. It's the difference between investing in a simple low-fee S&P 500 index fund over many years versus trying to pick individual stocks and time the market. Every extra decision increases the chance of a mistake. Every mistake slows momentum. That's why millionaire finances often look boring. Boring works. And lastly, habit number 7. Millionaires play the long game. This is the habit that makes all the others work. Millionaires stretch their time horizon. They're not trying to win this year. They're trying to win the next 20. So they ignore short-term hype, comparisons, fast money promises. They understand something most people don't. Time is the ultimate advantage. Most people quit too early, switch strategies too fast, and never let compounding do its job. Millionaires stay, and staying quietly beats talent, luck, and speed. Here's the truth. There's nothing flashy about how millionaires get richer every year. No secret trick, no viral strategy, no overnight win. Just quiet habits repeated long enough to matter. So the real question isn't whether these habits work. It's whether you're patient enough to let them. If this video changed how you think about money, subscribe to Millionaire Thinking. Because loud advice keeps people broke, but quiet principles, that's where real wealth is built. See you in the next video.